You want to give me a walk around for a video? What all's in here?
4 ZVX15s on 2 RP2Ks.
Okay.
2 150.4s for the mids and highs. What's it? 6 FSX8s in the doors. The tweeters aren't even playing. 410 FSX for the stone wall in the back. 370 amp CES alternator. 5XS 3400.
Good battery reserve, and your electrical's solid, man. You hold 13s on music?
Yes, sir.
Have you metered it?
56.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Wow. You got this all solid up here.
Yes, sir.
That looks good. I mean, you can't prevent this flex.
No, I'm trying.
Yeah.
That's why I got the angle iron and PL8X back there.
Everything helps.
Yes, sir. Before it just sounded like a tin can.
What's it tuned to?
38.
Okay. Is it what ratio or sealed section ported?
Sealed is 1 to 1.5.
Alright. Awesome. That's a really good number for a blow-through.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo, man. Can I see your alternator real quick?
Yeah, sure.
I'd like to check everything out. Whew. What truck is this?
Ford Ranger, 1995.
1995 Ranger, alright. Nice copper. Nice. What was your name?
Mike.
Mike. Jacob. Nice to meet you, man.
Jacob.
Dude, that thing's musical with the doors open and all that. Heck yeah. I like the LEDs in the box too, man.
I appreciate it.
Did you build it?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
I did everything.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.